Keep your video on. Today we are going to read about equivalent
Yes, ma'am.
fractions. Equivalent fractions. So Anjali is having chocolate and Pratishta is having chocolate. Before taking out your chocolates, let me tell you what is there. Equi stands for equal. Equi stands for equal. You know there are some fractions they are equal. Like, for example, okay, Anjali, take out your chocolate. Everyone can see Anjali's, Pratishta's and my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Three of us.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I asked Anjali
No,
to take
ma'am.
out her chocolate and show it to us. The whole chocolate. Okay, Anjali, how many pieces does it have? Count them. How many?
Ma'am,
8. Okay, Anjali is saying that it is having 8 pieces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ज़्यादा हो गए ये तो. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8. Anjali is having 8 pieces. Okay, Anjali, I ask you to share half of the chocolate with Pratishta. So how will you do it? Half. 1 upon 2 parts you have to share with
I will
Pratishta.
do 4. 8 upon 4.
8 upon
Ma'am,
4.
4 upon 8.
Okay,
4
she will
upon.
do 4 upon 8. She will give 4 but I have told you to give half part to Pratishta. Half means what? What do you mean by half, everyone? Tell me.
Ma'am is number
One.
of ma'am
What is
like
half?
8 have
What is half? What is the meaning of half?
Ma'am, divided equally.
No.
Ma'am
Divided equally is there, but just tell me.
divided equally.
नहीं beta, divided equally is correct. What do you mean by half? How do you write fractions in half? Fractions में कैसे लिखते हैं? 1
Ma'am,
upon
1 by 2.
2. 1 upon 2. Pratishtha, you also take out your chocolate. Anjali is also having chocolate and Pratishtha is also having chocolate. How many parts does it have, Pratishtha? Broken one. Is it broken one? Chalo, let it be. Okay, stick kar lo, okay? Show it to us. Bring it closer. She is also having 8 parts. Okay, I told you to divide it into half parts. How will you divide it, Pratishtha? Half parts. Open your mic. Both of you open your mics. Huh.
Ma'am, here it has 8 parts. So, ma'am,
Yes.
I will give 4 parts to Anjali, and
I'm not
I
saying
will
4
keep
parts.
4 parts.
Half means what? Half means what? Use Pratishtha, can you say my chocolate is divided like this? I can divide my chocolate like this into half. Wait. Pratishtha, can you say this? My chocolate is having 4 equal parts. Can you say that? This is correct? Is this correct, Pratishtha? Look at your chocolate. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it so? You can show us where is it? Show us on the screen. Where is it? Bring it closer. Yes. उसे पकड़ लो थोड़ा सा. Yeah. If you can show her, मैंने ये जो बनाया है ये आप कैसे बनाओगे? How is it? How can you see this?
Ma'am, like the way you have make like this,
Yes.
this is my chocolate.
Yes.
Now, first I will make a horizontal line like
Very
this,
good.
and then
Very
make a vertical line like this.
Very
So,
good.
the shape forming, the shape you have drawn on the board, it will come on this chocolate too.
Very good. Now, if I ask you, Pratishtha, to give half chocolate to, this is your chocolate. This is Pratishta's chocolate. And this is Anjali's chocolate. This is Anjali's chocolate and this is Pratishta's chocolate. Now, Pratishtha, I ask you to give half part to Anjali. How will you give?
Ma'am, I will give this part to Anjali.
Okay, she will give this side part to Anjali. And Anjali, if I ask to give half part to Pratishtha, how many parts will you share? This is your chocolate. How many parts will you share?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Okay, she is saying that I'll share 4 parts to Pratishtha. Okay, she is saying that I'll share 4 parts to Pratishtha. Anjali, what is your fraction?
Ma'am, 4 upon 8.
Anjali's fraction is out of 8 parts, she is sharing 4 parts. Out of 8 parts, she is sharing 4 parts. Now, Pratishtha, you tell me, what is your fraction?
Ma'am, my fraction is 4 upon 8.
No,
No, ma'am, 8 upon 4.
no. Just see your chocolate.
Ma'am,
This
can
is
I
your chocolate. No, she will tell. Just look at your chocolate. You divided the parts like this, and then I asked you to give half of the part to Anjali. What you did, you break the chocolate in between from here, and how many parts you shared?
Ma'am, I have shared her 4 parts.
You did not share 4 parts. Look at it. If you share 1, 2, 3, 4, have you shared 4 parts? Break your chocolates into the. If you break your chocolates like this, one in the horizontally and one vertically. Break it.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can. How many parts will you share it to from her to her?
Ma'am, I will share her.
This is your chocolate. You break it like in this in between and like this in between. Now, how many parts will you share to her? चॉकलेट हाथ में है, देखो ऐसे एक बार बीच में से ब्रेक करो, एक बार ऐसे ब्रेक करो, तो कितने पार्ट शेयर करोगे? एक बार बीच से ब्रेक करो बेटा, एक बार ऐसे ब्रेक करो, कितने पार्ट शेयर करो? कर लो. इफ यू वांट टू डू इट, यू कैन डू इट.
Ma'am, I will give her 2 parts.
Very good. You will give her 2 parts. And how many parts you have in total?
Ma'am, I have total 4 parts.
Very good. Very good, Pratishtha. And similarly, Anjali will do. Anjali will break her chocolates into 8 equal parts and she will share 4 parts to Pratishtha. Right, Anjali? Right, Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
So show us, you will break us 8 parts and you will give how many parts to Pratishtha? 4 parts. But I asked you to share half part. तो इसका मतलब है कि अंजलि ज्यादा शेयर कर रही है. Does it mean that? Everyone tell. Anjali is sharing more parts?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Anjali is sharing more parts? No. Anjali is sharing more chocolate. Tell me, not more parts. Anjali is sharing more chocolate.
No, ma'am.
Pratishtha is sharing
No,
more chocolate.
Both are equal.
Both are equal.
Both are
Both are
giving
sharing
equal.
equal parts. Equal of chocolate. Both are sharing equal chocolate. But मैंने तो इन दोनों से बोला था कि हाफ पार्ट शेयर करो. बट मैंने तो इन लोगों से बोला था हाफ पार्ट शेयर करो. अंजलि ने ऐसे शेयर किया, प्रतिष्ठा ने ऐसे शेयर किया. तो इसमें किसी ने चालाकी दिखाई है कि हम मुझे ज्यादा चॉकलेट मिलेगी? हाँ?
No, ma'am.
Has somebody shown anything कि नहीं मैंने चालाकी दिखाई है और मुझे ज्यादा मिल जाएगी ऐसे? इन दोनों में से किसी ने चीटिंग की है? दोनों हाफ शेयर कर रही हैं? Both of them are sharing half of their chocolate?
No, ma'am.
You're not sharing half of your chocolate, Anjali. Pratishtha is not sharing, or Pratishtha is not sharing her half chocolate. Do you have doubt on Pratishtha? She's not sharing half of her chocolate. Huh? Beta, see,
Yes, ma'am.
you all are correct. Nobody is cheating over here. I told you to divide it into 2 equal parts, and out of that 1 part should be shared. अभी wait a minute, Pratishtha. मैंने आपसे बोला था कि अपनी चॉकलेट 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड कर दो, और 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके ये वाला पार्ट आप ले लो और ये वाला दूसरे वाले को दे दो. ओके, आपने ऐसा नहीं किया. आपने क्या किया? प्रतिष्ठा ने 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स, प्रतिष्ठा से 4 इक्वल पीसेस में डिवाइड किया और उसमें 4 में से 2 अंजलि को दे दिया. एंड सिमिलरली व्हाट अंजलि डिड, अंजलि ने उसके 8 पार्ट्स इक्वल पार्ट्स करे. 8 में से she shared 4 parts. Okay, she shared 4 parts to Anjali. So what happened? Nobody is cheating over here. Neither Anjali is wrong, not Pratishtha is wrong, not I am wrong. Equal chocolate has been shared. But why it happens? हुआ कैसे? ये fraction अलग है, ये fraction अलग है, ये fraction अलग है. Although their faces are different, but they are equal. 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4 is equals to 3 upon, sorry, is equals to 4 upon 8. They all are equal. They are known as equivalent fractions. किसी की चॉकलेट ज्यादा नहीं गई है, किसी की चॉकलेट कम शेयर नहीं की है किसी ने. And I asked you to share your half of the chocolate. They both shared their half chocolate. Nobody cheated over here. Yeah, Pratishtha?
Ma'am, I want to just say that, ma'am, the way we have shared the chocolate
Yes.
is different, but we have shared it equally.
Very good. Very good, Pratishtha. She's saying
Thank
that
you, ma'am.
the way although they shared in different ways, they shared the chocolate in different ways, but they shared equal chocolate. Excellent. Okay, they shared equal chocolates. Anjali is attempting in her having tempting for the chocolate. She's looking at the chocolate. May I eat it? I eat it. I eat it. I want to eat it right now. Is it so, Anjali? Ma'am तो क्या करा रही है मुझसे sharing करा रही है. I want to eat it right now. She's looking at the chocolate like this. I'm going to eat it right
I am
now.
having example from
You are having
scale.
Mehul what? What do you have, Mehul?
ma'am example
What example?
which I
Wait a
Ma'am,
minute, Mehul. Switch on your video, Mehul. Switch on your video, Mehul. I want to talk to you. Yes, what do you want to say?
my scale is 30 centimeters, so ma'am we will
हाँ.
divide 15.
अच्छा करके देख लो. अभी divide it, break it and see, show us. Don't break it,
15
Mehul.
centimeter
Yes, good.
and 30 centimeters. So then we will divide 15. So then
Yes.
both sides
Yes,
both
yes.
sides are equal.
Okay. Very good, Mehul. Beta, you can do one thing. I'm giving you this task. Those who can do it, they can make a video showing this experiment. Like I was this chocolate one also, you can do it. You can try with 2 or 3 friends each. You can make a video and you can share it. This is your task. Let me see. 4th A, B में या C में से 4th A, B, C में से who won? Who is getting good videos? Share the videos with A, B, C all together. A की B में share करूँगी, B की C में share करूँगी, A, B, C तीनों में share करूँगी. Let me see who won. हाँ, Anjali, now you
Okay,
can.
ma'am.
We are finished with it. Look at the chocolate. So
This
tempting.
experiment with my friend.
Huh? You have done it. Now make a video regarding this. Can you make a video? I know you all can do it. Showing the same type of.
One thing. Ma'am, my friend have come from Meerut, so ma'am, I will do this experiment with her. I and she play. We and I and she plays every day on
Anjali, now
our
you
group.
can eat it.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, she do one thing.
What?
Ma'am, Anjali give to Pratyusha 2 pieces and Pratishtha
Yes.
give to Anjali 2
Yes,
pieces.
yes, you can. I am
And ma'am,
telling you, you
2
can do it in
pieces,
group.
ma'am, you
Making a video
give
like
to you.
sitting at your home, you can make a video. I will combine the video for you. Make
Okay,
a
ma'am.
video, I'll combine the video for you. Don't take tension of how to combine the videos, how to share these chocolates. Sit at your home and make videos. Like you decide yourself कि मैम मैं अंजलि और ये साथ में करने वाले हैं तो please combine our video. So I'll combine your video. You just do it one by one. As you wish. Let me see who won among 4th A, B, C. It's not compulsory. It's not compulsory, I'm saying. Okay? It's just if you want to make. It will be interesting for you also. Okay? I'm not making it compulsory because I know somebody is like Mehul was showing me example. Mehul, you can make a video regarding this. Okay, Mehul? And the name of the topic will be equivalent fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay, instead of this, I'm going to share my screen for doing take out your maths notebooks now. Achha, how to take out, wait a minute. How to take out, this is, beta, you understand what is equivalent fraction? Which are actually
Yes,
the
ma'am.
fractions which are actually equal, but they did not seem to be equal. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they
Yes.
are actually equal. They have different numbers in the numerator also and denominator also. They are having different numbers, but they are equal. So how to calculate? बेटा ऐसा नहीं है कि 2/5 6/7 के equal हो जाएगा. It is not always happen. It does not happen always. There are fixed equivalent fractions. उनको calculate कैसे करते हैं? How to calculate them? Just see. For example, 2/5 is any of the fraction. We have to calculate. अगर हम इसके if you have anything and you're dividing it into 5 equal parts. Wait. You have anything and you're dividing it into 5 equal parts. And out of 5 parts you are having 2 parts. अब आप ये कह रहे हो कि मैं इसके 10 parts, इसके ज़्यादा parts कर दिए जाए तो कैसे निकालेंगे? So how to take out? You multiply the Beta, let me speak, Anushka. Multiply the numerator as well as denominator by 2. Multiply the numerator as well as denominator both by 2. By 2 also. If you are multiplying by 3, then multiply by denominator also by 3. If you are multiplying by 4, multiply the denominator also by 4. 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. Like this chocolate one example, let me show you the chocolate one example. I told them to divide it into half parts, right? I told them to divide it into half parts. Now, what is done by the first one? What is done by Pratishtha? Pratishtha did it like this. She multiplied the numerator also by 2 and denominator. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2.
2 1s are 2.
She is sharing this part. Out of 4 parts, she is sharing 2 parts. Okay, 1/2. Now I'm telling about Anjali. What she did, she divided into 4 parts. 4 2s are 8 and
4 1s are 4.
So answer will be 4/8. She was sharing this one thing. And one more way she can, anyone can share it. If there will be more chocolates, I can do that also. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Denominator also 3, numerator also 3. 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are
3 2s are 6.
So if you divide your chocolates in 6 equal parts, you have to share 3 parts. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. Just wait a minute. Now take out your maths notebook. From the previous page only. Question D we have done in book. Question E we will start.
Yes.
Question we are going to start in your maths fair notebook. Start doing it. Start doing it.
Ma'am, we will send also.
What, beta?
Ma'am, we will send also.
Yes. Must do it. First complete it. Send के बाद में देखना बेटा पहले तो complete it. Start doing it.
Okay, ma'am.
Maths fair notebook.
Ma'am, in this there are 4 questions.
Yes, beta, only 4 questions are there.
Yes.
See, now, if you can see here, 3 upon 2, 3, sorry, you just do one thing, everyone. First of all, let's see. 3 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is what? What?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
6.
6. And 5 multiplied by 2 is?
Ma'am, 10.
10. Okay, 10 will be here. Now do one thing, put it inside a box. Put it inside a box.
Ma'am,
Do one thing. The answer which is coming, put it inside a box. This 3 upon 5, you also put it inside a box. And here also you put a box over here. In every question you do like this. 2 upon 7 is equivalent to this number, whatever the answer will come here. And here also you just put it inside a box. Just draw the box. Okay. Just draw the boxes. Anushka, please stop it, beta. What are you doing? Okay, draw these boxes. Here. Here 1 upon 2 you make a box here. Put it inside a box. And this also you put it inside a box. This fraction also you put it inside a box. That means the numbers, the boxes which we are putting in, they are equivalent fractions. Okay. Now tell me this one. 3 threes are. What will be the answer here?
6.
Ma'am, 9.
6.
Oh,
We're saying 3 threes are 6. Not adding. We are multiplying. 9. Okay. 5 threes are. 5 threes are.
15.
5 threes is 15. 9 upon 15 is the answer. 9 upon 15 is the answer. Okay. Now tell me of this one. 2 upon 2. What
Ma'am,
will be
2
2
2s
upon
are
2?
4 and
2 2s are 4, 7
2s
2s
are
are
14.
2 2s are 4. And 7 2s are? 7 2s are?
14. Ma'am,
7 2s are 1
14.
4 14. 14. Okay. 4 upon 14 is the answer. Okay. Tell me this one. 2 4s are?
4 2s are
8.
8.
4
Ma'am,
2s
4 2s are 8.
8.
28.
Okay.
7 4s are 28.
7 4s are? 7 4s are?
28.
28. So that means 4 upon 4, 2 upon 7 is equals to 4 upon 14 is equals to 8 upon 28. Okay. Now see, tell me this one.
Ma'am, 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8.
4 4s are 8.
4 4s
2
are
2s
8.
are?
8. And ma'am, 2 4s are 8.
2 4s are 8. This we have done. Okay. This we have done. And if they are going to do 5 1s are?
Ma'am, 5 1s are 5. The 5 2s are
5s are
10.
10.
2 5s are 10. Okay. Right. Now this one.
4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12.
4 2s are 8 and 6 2s are?
6 2s are 12.
Okay. Now tell me this one. 4 3s are?
4 3s are 12.
6 3s are 18.
Okay, these are the answers. That means 4 upon 6 is
Mine is
equals
all
to
correct.
8 upon 12 is equals to 12 upon 18.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay. And the numbers we are putting in red boxes में जिन्हें रखा है, that means they are equal. Okay, the meeting is going to be over. See you in next class now. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I love the chocolate experiment.
Chocolate.